Greetings from Ari team. In this video, we will demonstrate how posting is done from Ari to QuickBooks. Now, for posting purpose, we have few filters in Ari: from date, to date, posting document, organization, and transactions. So these will be disabled initially. To enable these filter, we need to connect to QuickBooks. And it will redirect us to QuickBooks account. So we will enter our email ID and password. We will click on sign in, and then it will redirect us back to our account posting page. Now it will display a message: your access to Galaxy Fashion has been authorized, and it is showing here that currently this is connected. To disconnect, user can click on this button here. Now, in an organization, there might be huge amount of documents to be posted. So for users' easiness, we have provided these filters in Ari: from date and to date filter. So if user wants to post document between certain dates, then user can do this. So I will select change the date. I will click on process. And in this way, all these documents which are between these dates will be displayed here. Similarly, user can post documents transaction wise as well. So in this filter, all these transactions have been listed down. So user wants to post only GRN document, he can select it and click on process. Next is organization wise filter. So if user wants to post documents belonging to a specific or certain organization, then this can be done with this filter here. Now this filter, posting document, here we have three values: on, error, and pending. So if user has selected pending here, then all those documents will be displayed which are pending to be posted. And if user has selected error here, it means all those errors, all those documents will be displayed which encounter any kind of error while posting for the first time, so that user can repost these documents. If all is selected, then system will display all the documents which are pending along with all the documents which got an error while posting the first time. So let's continue with account posting. I will click on process. Now I will post a GRN document. So I will select it by checking the checkbox. I will click on next. And on the second page, final posting grade, it will ask us to confirm again whether the selected document needs to be posted or not. So we will check this box above all data will be posted in QuickBooks. And I will click here on post. So we can see 1 out of 1 document is posted and the status is okay. So in this way, we can post all these documents to our QuickBooks account from Ari. Now, I will click here on add new to post again. So here, while doing QuickBooks account setup, we have selected one parameter post POS transaction by till wise. It meant that all the transactions done between opening and closing of a till will be posted at once. So here in POS, I will make a transaction. I will pay by cash. Done. And let's say one more transaction of 250. Now, to post these two documents, I need to close the till. So I will close this. Now, yes. So we have closed till successfully. Now we will be able to post these documents. So we'll move back to our posting. I will refresh this page. And in transaction, we have a option open close till document. Now, once the till is closed, we refresh the list here and the open close till document will be posted along with a manual JV. So we will select both the transactions and I will click on next. Confirm the same that both these transactions are to be posted in QuickBooks and click on post. Now, since the batch size while doing setup was 1, that's why it will post the document one by one here. So the status is posted for both the document with description OK. It means that these documents are posted to our QuickBooks account. So in this way, we have seen how we can post documents from ARI to QuickBooks. Thank you.